students, let us see one question on application of derivative. A square piece of tin of side 18 meter is to be made into a box without top by cutting from each corner and folding up the flaps of the box. What should be the side of the square to be cut off so that the volume of the box is maximum? Now understand this question very carefully, students. Now this is the tin. So what we are doing, this corners we have to cut and we have to fold this portion. So clearly the box which you are creating, what will be the length? The length will be 18 minus 2x and the breadth will be 18 minus 2x. And what will be the height? Since you are folding this, the height will be x, right? So what is the volume? Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So this will be the expression for the volume. Now, how to find out the maximum thing? First find out the first derivative, that is dv by dx is equal to 4. Then 3x square minus 18 2s are 2, 8 is 16, 6 1 carry over 2 1s are 2, 3 36x plus 81 is equal to 0, which give us the extreme points. So when you do this, so you will get the equation, and when you solve the equation, you are having x square minus 12x plus 27 is equal to 0. Since it is equated to 0, this can go divide by 3. This will give you x minus 3, x minus 9 is equal to 0 and x will be equal to 3 and 9. Obviously 9 is not possible because the length and breadth is 18. So 9 plus 9 itself become the 18. So x cannot be the 9 cannot be the case. So x is equal to 3. Right, now find out the second derivative, that is dou 2v upon dou x square. Now dou 2v upon dou x square, when you are finding out, this will be equal to 12 2x minus 12. Remember, second derivative should be find out from this expression, not after cancelling or equating it to 0. So from this expression you should find out the second derivative. Once you get the second derivative, then what you have to do, in this you have to check at 3. So if you observe dou 2v upon dou x square at x is equal to 3. When you put this, you will get minus 72, which is less than 0, which gives you maxima. So this is how you have to do the questions. Thank you.